Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is find a mode of inheritance and specify genotypes of individuals present in this pedigree. And from the first glance we see that in every generation we have affected individuals, so it tells us that this is dominant genetic disorder, but key family for us would be this family here. And looking at this family, we can tell that two unaffected individuals have affected child. So right away, this cannot be a dominant genetic disorder, otherwise female, mother or father of this child have to be affected also in order to pass dominant genetic disorder. So it cannot be autosomal dominant or X-linked dominant, but cannot be X-linked recessive genetic disorder. So in order for this female to be affected, she has to have both defective X chromosomes, one inherited from the mother side, and it is possible that mother would have one normal X chromosome, another defective, and if it is X-linked recessive genetic disorder, her phenotype would be normal. But second defective X chromosome this female should get from her father, and because father has only one X chromosome and Y chromosome, and if single X chromosome would have even recessive genetic disorder, phenotype of this male would be also affected because no other X chromosome to balance this recessive X-linked genetic disorder. So this is not a dominant genetic disorder, no autosomal, no X-link, and also we can say that this is not recessive X-linked genetic disorder. So this only can be recessive autosomal genetic disorder. In this case, genotypes of the parents have to be capital A, capital A and small a here, and small a here. And as for the genotypes of these two individuals, it can be, we know for sure that one allele is dominant, another can be whether dominant or recessive, and the same is true here. So capital A and blank space, and we also can put small a everywhere. We see affected phenotype, and also these two individuals in the first generation have to be homozygous recessive, and we may assume that their spouses would be in this case homozygous dominant, so all the children would be obligate heterozygous. And as for the this individual, we see that one of the child of this couple also have a genetic defect. That means that one defective allele this individual got from his mother, and one defective allele this person have to get from his father's side. And because his father's phenotype is normal, so that means that he have to be heterozygous. And as for this female here, we know for sure that her genotype is heterozygous, her phenotype is normal, so that means that she have to get normal dominant allele from father's side, and from her mother's side she only can get recessive allele. Now we have only one individual left here, so if mother is obligate homozygous recessive, father is obligate heterozygous, and phenotype is normal, we know that one allele have to be dominant inherited from the father side, and from the mother side this female can get only recessive allele because mother have two recessive alleles and no any other choice. So now we know all the genotypes of all the people present in this pedigree, the only two people whose genotype is not known, these two individuals, number 15 and 16, in the third generation. Both these individuals can be homozygous dominant if they would inherit two dominant alleles from the mother and father side, or may have one dominant allele and one recessive allele inherited from any of the parents. So we have found that this is autosomal recessive genetic disorder. We have found genotypes of all the individuals present here, and this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.